if you look at our galaxy alone, our galaxy has arguably 100 billion stars. 100 billion stars. Now, that's a lot of stars, just in our little teeny-weeny little galaxy called the Milky Way. Now, again, this is where science comes to the rescue. 20 years ago, scientists would have told you that planets are not a prerequisite in the universe, that we are a very unique little specimen, our little planet, and our solar system. Other stars do... We get some friends. Hey! They are noisy, eh? So, in our little galaxy called the Milky Way, we have arguably 100 billion stars. That could change tomorrow by one little fluke discovery. Now suddenly, just a couple of years ago, they discovered that for every star, there's most likely a brown dwarf, which is just a much older star that is not so bright, and we can't really see them. Now suddenly there's 200 billion stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Now if every star, contrary to what was believed by astronomers 20 years ago, now they suddenly believe that when a star is born, many planets are created around it from all the debris left behind from stellar formation. Now that is a very simple scientific fact. I could have told them that, and many people could have told them, the astronomers, this a long time ago. But no, they obviously knew things that we didn't, and now suddenly they have to go back and sheepishly, admit that they were wrong. But they do it very, very graciously. And so if you just assume that there's between 10 and 1,000 planets around every star, because there are some stars that have many, many planets, up to 1,000 and possibly more. Let's just take a figure of an average of 100 planets per star. Now suddenly you got 100 times 100 billion planets just in our Milky Way, just in our galaxy. That's a hell of a lot of planets. And when you start doing the maths, it suddenly occurs that there must be a hell of a lot of planets out there with the potential of harboring life, not just microscopic life, but advanced life and intelligent life. And once you start throwing those kind of permutations about, statistically, it's impossible that there is not an abundance, an infinite amount of abundance of advanced civilizations, not just in our galaxy, but in the billions and billions of other galaxies out there.